We're going to be replacing this slipper right here. It just allows your chain to not rub against the swing arm. As you can see, my slipper is already worn through under the chain right there, so it's probably a good idea that we replace it. We need a new slipper, which is this, and we need a screwdriver, which is this. And we'll start by removing the old one. Held down by some Phillips screws. Take one screw off. Alright guys, here's what I found out. It is much easier to use one of these Phillips attachments that go on the end of a socket to get this screw out that's in a tight spot right here to get the slipper out. So I'm going to go ahead and do that real fast. Alright guys, now that I got the old slipper all loosened up, 2 screws here, 2 screws here, we're going to try and slide her out. Alright, there we go guys. Finally got that off. What I ended up doing was, it was like this, so I ended up sliding it up until this bigger piece right here on the bottom got caught in the sprocket, and then I pushed this side back and pulled it under. So now I'm going to install it just in reverse order. Now, I take everything and put it back in reverse order. We'll get our bottom screw in there first. We're not going to tighten that screw up all the way, that way we can adjust it and get all the other screws in. Okay, we'll install the second screw. Again, not tightening it all the way, leaving it for a little adjustment. Get our third screw in, we'll get our fourth screw in. Tighten that screw up all the way. Alright, now that we got all the screws installed for the slipper, we're going to go through and tighten them all up. And there you have it, a brand new slipper.